Sorry, I'm using my DSLR camera, so I really can't zoom out. But I've been living with these two 12-volt coolers for the past several weeks. And somebody was kind enough to give me this mini refrigerator because my RV fridge still needs to be fixed. So I'm so grateful, so grateful. So I don't know if we can really see in here much, but I was able to put stuff in the door, the bottled goods, and my salad goods are in this little bin. Some salad dressing and some other things. So this is pretty cool. And actually this freezer works really well. Well, it did. I turned it all down. I gotta close it because I just loaded this fridge, so I've had it open too long. So, but anyhow, this is great. You know, this works because of these little baskets. Makes it easier. I have a shelf down here. And this is, of course, the freezer. So we'll close it because it's getting testy with me. Then I'll show you everything after. Oh, I'll be so glad to get these 12-volt coolers out of here. It was nice while it lasted, but this is much nicer. This will keep my food more regular, at a more regular temperature. Look at this. This is ridiculous. Oh. Yeah, and I pulled my strip off my door, but my thing here, so I gotta fix that. Okay. I'm really liking this little fridge. So, like the baskets, I found out I can stand stuff down on the bottom and still close my door. And stick another one of my drinks over here. And I usually, when I get milk, it's half gallons. So the half-gallon milk should fit right there. It's no problem. This is pretty nice. Plus there's a tiny shelf back here too, if you can see it. Which I don't have anything on it yet, but... And the temperature, actually it's a little bit on freezing, but I don't really think that affects the food underneath too much. I'm also sure that y'all that are watching this are wondering, wait a minute, isn't that a fridge? Why do you need another fridge? Well, no, this is not a fridge. This is a freezer. And I absolutely love it. Look at that. So I've got a couple months worth of food in here. So, and since I'm not a big bread eater, I tend to freeze my breads and stuff and use them as I go along. So anyhow, yeah, that's a freezer. I got that for $100 off Craigslist. Pretty cool. So, now I'm set. I've got my freezer, my refrigerator. I still don't know what to do about my real refrigerator. I guess I'll have to figure it out. Plus, with this sitting here for now, gives me a temporary workspace. And I actually have cutting boards that are kind of like this. This is not a cutting board. This is a plastic placemat. But I just put it there so I could use it as a work surface. And I'll have to find the cutting boards because I have no earthly idea where I shoved them in here. So, stored them in here. Stored them in here sounds better than shoved, doesn't it? Okay. Catch y'all later. Live the life you love. Bye-bye.